understanding how furniture legs can impact Airsled hoverblades' performance. This video is a part of Airsled's Hoverblades video series and will demonstrate how to properly use Airsled hoverblades under different types of furniture legs. It will also explain how to avoid air beam flex in certain situations for optimal Airsled hoverblades' performance. This 50-pound wooden cabinet was loaded with 350 pounds of sandbags to simulate a 400-pound piece of furniture. Though too tall for any Airsled spacer kit, the continuous legs provide suitable lifting points. The load was lifted slightly to center the air beams under the legs. When centered, the air beam will produce optimal lift when inflated. If not centered, the air beam will pitch to one side and reduce the Airsled hoverblade's performance. Airsled hoverblades had no problem moving this 400-pound load. Certain furniture leg configurations such as this can cause air beam flex, which reduces hoverblade's performance. Notice how the air beam center flexes upwards due to point loads at the end. A plywood plank can keep the air beam more rigid in this situation. This is another example of air beam flex and how plywood can correct the issue. Do not place air beams directly under rounded, tapered, or pointy furniture legs to ensure optimal Airsled hoverblades performance. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.